Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your VW Tiguan's inspection light. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off before beginning. This simple procedure can save you a trip to the dealership and is something you can easily do at home. We'll cover the common method that works for most models, helping you get back on the road without that persistent dashboard reminder. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, make sure your Volkswagen Tiguan's ignition is completely off. Next, locate the trip reset button on your instrument cluster, usually near the speedometer. Press and hold this button down firmly. It's important to keep it pressed throughout the next step to ensure the reset sequence is properly initiated. This prepares your vehicle for the service light reset. While still holding the trip reset button, turn your ignition to the on position. Do not start the engine, just turn the ignition on. Continue to hold the button for about 10 to 20 seconds. You should observe the inspection light on your dashboard beginning to flash, indicating that the reset process is underway. This confirms the vehicle is recognizing your input. Once the inspection light flashes, you can release the trip reset button. Now, turn your ignition completely off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. The inspection light should no longer be illuminated, confirming a successful reset. If it's still on, simply repeat these steps. You've now successfully cleared the service reminder on your Tiguan.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.